Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onyxbeautyx, and in today's video we are going to be filming an everyday get ready with me. Yes, I'm back with a new look. I'm back with new vim. I'm back with a whole bunch of ish that you guys have never seen before. So I am sorry that I haven't been on this channel for over a year. So hopefully in this video you guys will like it. Hopefully I've gotten a little bit better, guys. I'm not that good, but I've gotten a little bit better. This video is sponsored by Beyswears. She sent me a packet of tea, guys. This tea is so amazing. It helps maintain or lose healthy weight, and like when I tell you guys, this has done wonders for me during this quarantine time. I'm going to leave her description down below, and anything else that I've recorded, any brushes, makeup, or anything that I've recorded in this video, it will be down below. So let's get into the video. So I did my eyebrows and I primed and prepped my face. I'm going in with the full coverage Morphe matte foundation in the color F5 110. I'm concealing my eyelids in the color 440 by Fenty Beauty. Now I'm using my Mercier setting powder in the color medium deep. Now I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm Morphe palette. I'm using the color Alert, and I'm just going into the crease and making sure that I'm blending it in. I went in with the color Prowl on my outer lid, and I try to blend that in as seamless as possible. Guys, with my eyeliner today, I am not doing too much. I'm going back in with the color 440 in the Fenty Beauty concealer. I'm also using the concealer LA Pro Girl in the color Beautiful Bronze, and I'm just going to blend that in. Now I'm using the concealer in the color 498 by Fenty Beauty, and I'm just going to use that to contour and chisel my face. Now I'm going in with another blending brush, and I'm just going to make sure I blend in all the places I contoured. Guys, yes I did. I went in with an eyeshadow brush to contour my nose. Who says I can't? Please tell me. Now I'm going in with the color 390 by Fenty Beauty. I just want to make sure that my under eyes are a little bit lighter than the other places I concealed. And guys, now you want to blend as much as you can. I'm telling you, blending is key to when you're doing your makeup because you do not want any harsh lines. Again, I'm going in with my setting powder Mercier in the color medium deep, and I'm just going to set all the areas I concealed. Guys, I'm going to set it, set. You do not want your makeup to shift on your face, I guarantee you. Yes, I am going back in just to make sure that my nose is a little bit more defined now that I set my face. I am now going in with my Brontour palette from Morphe in the color Showmance. I'm just going over the places I already contoured to soften up my face a little bit more. Guys, as you can see, I am going in with my Mercier powder using my blending sponge, and I just want to bring a little bit more structure to my cheekbones. Next, I am going in with my Maybelline mascara. Guys, I don't know about y'all, but this is my favorite part. The next, I'm going in and I'm putting on my Beyswears Aphrodite lashes. When I tell you that these lashes are bomb, guys. Guys, I'm just going in and lightly dusting off the setting powder for the areas that I don't need anymore. Now I'm going in with my blush palette. I am now going in with my glow powder from Mercier. I'm telling you, I look like a snack already, and I haven't even put on my wig. Going in with my Morphe setting spray. Guys, I should not be embarrassed, but I am. As you can see, this lip liner is done. This is one of my favorite lip liners. Next, I'm using my Morphe Trendsetter lip liner, and I'm just going on top, guys, just to like give it that nice true brown look. I am now going in with my Morphe Nude lip gloss in the color Freebird. Next, I'm going in with my Sephora lip gloss in the color Nude Attitude. Guys, if I could tell you, one of my favorite features about myself will probably be my lips. And this is the complete look. I really enjoyed filming this video. I hope you guys enjoyed as well. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And trust me, I will be back with more videos. See you guys.